Now I want to talk to you a little bit about some products and things that you can use on your roof that you can get from Home Depot or Lowe's. They're not that expensive. It could save you a lot of money as opposed to hiring someone to come and do this for you. The first thing I want to talk to you about is Wet or Dry. This is roof cement. Okay, this is the Gardner brand. I believe this is from Home Depot, but you can get Wet or Dry roof cement from Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, your local hardware store, any place like that. This is what we use to put under shingles that are loose, especially around the edge. If you have loose shingles that are popping up, flip those shingles up a little bit. Try not to break them. Older shingles, they'll be brittle. They will break. You don't want to do that. But if you do, just simply put the roof cement under it, a good amount of it. It doesn't need to be all, just squirting out everywhere, but just put a good amount down and then put the shingle back in place. Just glue it back in place. You also use this around your pipe boots or any exposed nail heads. Like I've shown you in previous videos. Take this stuff, get a caulk gun. Again, you can pick up a caulk gun. This is like less than $5 from Home Depot or Lowe's. This is the cheap one. I'm a contractor. I buy these things all the time. I get the cheapest one because when it breaks, I just go get a new one. You don't have to spend $15 on the expensive caulking gun that you're only gonna use a couple of times a year. I use it all the time and I still buy the cheap ones. I believe this is around $5 at Lowe's or Home Depot. I'll try to put links, in the description of the video and stuff. I'm sure you can probably order these on Amazon even. I know everyone's on Amazon Prime. I love Amazon Prime, by the way. You could probably order them on there. Then you don't even have to go to the store. In fact, I'm pretty confident you could order this roof cement on Amazon. But literally what I'm holding in my hand is around $10 to $12. I think this Wet or Dry is around $6 or $8. This is like $4 or $5. 12, maybe 15 bucks at the most. And you can literally go around your roof, seal all your nail heads. If you have any loose shingles, you can put this stuff back under them. I'll do another video and I'll show you, just a quick tutorial on how to apply this stuff, and it's super easy. Anyone can do it. But this is one simple, cheap, easy fix that you can do to your roof to help, prep it for hurricane season. Thanks, guys. I also want to just show you real quick how to set this up. This is super simple. You just take a knife, a sharp knife, or a box cutter, and of course this one's already open, but all you do is you just make you an angled cut on the end, approximately a ½ inch or so down from the top. And then on your caulk gun, somewhere, some have them in the handle, some have them on the end like this one, but it has a little needle that you take and open it up, and then you just stick it inside after you've made the cut. And there's a little piece of aluminum foil, it's just like aluminum foil or plastic inside here that seals this up, because this stuff's really bad, and so you don't want to get this on things. So you just put this in there and poke a couple of holes in it, and then that'll open it up. And then if I were you, contractor quick tip, okay, take a paper towel and wipe this off, because this roof cement, okay, just a little bit will get on here, but when you put this back in, you will get this everywhere. It'll be on your clothes, in your vehicle, it'll be everywhere. So just do yourself a favor and just wipe this needle off whenever you get done opening up the roof cement. But then just put that back and then just take your roof cement, slide it into the caulk gun. Now you're gonna want to make sure that the caulk gun is opened all the way up. So try not to make this make too much noise. Depress the trigger and then just pull the ramrod back, okay? And then slide your caulk tube in there like so. And then take your hand and just push this back in till it's tight. Then you can start, you know, dispensing your roof cement. Super easy, anyone can do it. And now I've just given you a video on how to set it up. Thanks for watching.